If I do not find a board that I absolutely love, I will not buy it. Hey, I'm Faye. I am downtown Cedar Rapids. I'm going to buy me a skateboard at a quaint little shop. I wanted to buy it on Amazon. However, I bought one for my son and it wasn't very well built. So I have decided to buy one locally. Yeah, support the local economy. Anyway, I think that I want a skateboard. I may come out with a longboard. I don't know. It's gonna be what fits my personality. I think that's what I'm gonna go for. So let's go and check it out. Hello. I don't know what I want yet. Okay. So I am recording to see if anything pops.
Very plain.
Okay.
And we did like one of these.
Yeah.
Just with nothing on it.
Okay.
And you did the base model, you know, trucks, wheels, $75. Okay. All said and done. Nice. So most of the things with graphics, you know, if you stick with the base stuff, you're going to be in the $100 to $130 range. Base model like this, $75. Of course, there's a lot of options in between $200 and $75.
Oh yeah. So absolutely. I look for something plain. Oh, that's so good. Never mind. Louis. So these are half made. Everything is from scratch.
Pretty much, yes.
Oops. I don't know. It's overwhelming.
Yes, there's a lot.
Yes. Choosing a skate wasn't as easy as I expected, so I have decided to build my own. And I'm sure I'll be coming back for more because there is so many cool designs.
Selection of boards that size. Of course, I can build you one too, where we just take, you know, the deck. I mean, of course, this is what, you know, pretty much feels like without the wheels and everything on it. And you know, we can put you know, different trucks and wheels on it and stuff like that. And you can pick out whatever color wheels you like and all that jazz. And we can even do different colors of the axles. We call these trucks, but just that's just what we call axles in the skateboard industry. You know, so don't feel like you have to go with, you know, just you can go with polished aluminum, or you can go with black, or you can go with.
This is the reason I didn't want to go to Amazon.
Oh, well, thank you so much for choosing us instead of Amazon. It means a lot to me. I appreciate you supporting the local shop. It means a lot to us. Thank you. It means a lot to me.
Skateboard or longboard? Which one is more fun?
Oh man, I mean they're all fun. I mean obviously I ride everything. Board, if you're just getting new to it, I always recommend slower bearings. So, you know, as you can see, these wheels are identical.
Okay.
But I want to get you on wheels that are a little bit slower. You know, bearings are slower, so it doesn't spin as fast. It's a little bit easier to learn with, so it's easier to understand how the board works. I feel like it's got to shoot out from under you like a wild horse. You know, another thing too is that I want to adjust your trucks so they have the right amount of sway to them. So I'm going to use these things we call bushings. You can feel there's different hardnesses of those, different diameters of those. And yeah, I mean, I could geek out about this stuff all day. Board, my personal board. And feel how dense this wheel is. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any of the hard wheels out of the plastic.
I like that.
Yeah. So, you know, traditional skateboard just has harder wheels in it. And of course, we can go with a softer wheel, and we can build you what we call a cruiser board too, where we just put soft wheels on a normal size skateboard. And the nice thing about skateboards is it's all preference, just like a vehicle, just like a bicycle or a car or a musical instrument. There's no wrong way or wrong size. It's just what you feel the most comfortable with when you're standing on it. You know? And your skateboard, of course, the nice thing about skateboarding is if you do just get tired of riding around, you want to learn tricks, you can. With the longboard, unfortunately, you're kind of just sequestered to just riding the longboard. You know, but with a longboard, I mean, you're pretty much just rolling, you know, and that's fun too. There's nothing wrong with that. It just kind of depends on what your idea of fun is. Is the nice thing if we build you a cruiser board with soft wheels on it, you can eventually learn tricks. Yeah, you get to see it. You can go adventure out and see all kinds of things. You know, it's like a sidewalk surfer. Yeah.
I like the idea of sidewalk surfing.
Yeah, let's build you something like that. That sounds fun.
But I'm going with a skate.
You see, like that's how you try them out. You got it down.
This one.
Right on. Cool. I love the spider. Yeah, you know the wheels I recommend starting off with. Now, I do have some other options, but you know, these are the ones that are a little bit softer. They give you a little bit that nice stable feel. And I do have a bunch of different colors, so don't worry, don't get scared. I'm not trying to hold you up all day with this.
That's all right.
I can go for many moons. Like in the restaurant, I just want to show you the menu, you know.
Exactly.
Make sure you make the choice that's a proper choice for you, and you know, I want to make sure you're happy. Now this is fun. So now the last choice is grip tape. Our normal black grip tape, it's only $5. We have clear grip tape, which is transparent, so it's like it shows the top of the board, which is kind of cool. And then we have what I call fancy grip tape, which comes in many different array of colors and different decorations, as I like to say.
I like this one.
Right, that one, cool. Right on, my friend. And in here that was in his mid-60s, and he
What?
He never skated in his life. He said, I want to try this, and he worked at like some gnarly like plant his whole life, and he was like, you know, I'm retired now. He's like, I got time. Oh, when this came in, you don't feel alone. I got people of every. I mean, you know, I'm 41 and I still ride a skateboard. You know, so you know, I feel ancient. You know, some days, but don't ever. Age is just a number. It's mind over matter. You know, it's to be super sweet. We get this all set up.
A bit artsy, fun and flashy.
Yeah, fun and flashy. Exactly. It's gonna be beautiful. You'll be going down the street. You'll be grooving. You're gonna go cruise the trail, see some sights.
Yes.
I love it.
Is that a skateboard or a longboard?
This is a hybrid. I call it a cruiser board. It's a mixture of a longboard and a skateboard in one. That's what it is. It's going to give you the feel of a longboard when you want it, that nice Cadillac feel, but you can still do tricks with like a skateboard.
Okay.
And you know, and so it's neat. It's like a taster platter when you go to a restaurant. There's a little bit of everything. You know?
Alright,
It's got the chicken strips, it's got the mozzarella, you know, it's got the French fries, you know, it's got everything. It's like, that's probably the best analogy I can use for it, you know. It's like, it's a little bit of everything you can possibly imagine in one, which is really beautiful. And it's really great when you're starting because you can kind of, you know, feel all of the facets, and up the road, of course, we can always swap things out and change things and, you know, alter stuff, and that's kind of the fun of what we do here, you know, is everybody's got their own taste and their own flavor for what they're into, and I love seeing that. Like, we never build two boards that are identical ever. I'll hold still if you need me to.
Thank you. I got it.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you so much, my friend.
Thank you so
I
much.
appreciate it big time. There you go.
Oh my God.
There's your board. It's all my wife Lindsay, wherever she disappeared.
Hi, Lindsay.
Wherever she disappeared.
Well, you may be.
She's like a ghost. She just floats around doing things. She keeps this place running. She's the one to make sure it stays in business. I'm just the idiot that plays skateboard.
So I ended up with a cruiser. I decided to build my own board, and it turns out very nice. And oh, by the way, I forget to mention, this will be my very first board. I told you I didn't know what I wanted, so now I know.